Hey there! Welcome to a new video where we're going to dive into a common problem that coders often face. The problem we'll be looking at today involves code that seems correct but fails to compile, leaving us scratching our heads in confusion. Specifically, we'll be exploring why a certain conversion between two types isn't working as expected. Let's unravel this puzzling problem together. Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky issue. Remember our discussion on type parameters and their bounds? Well, in this scenario, the key lies in the constraints placed on the type parameters t and s. If we take a closer look at the code snippet involving t extends string, s extends number, we uncover an important insight. The bounds specified for t and s play a crucial role in determining whether a conversion between them is valid. In this case, the constraints are specifically set to string and number, which impacts the outcome of the conversion process. In summary, we've explored a perplexing problem related to type conversions in Java and uncovered the nuances of type parameters and their bounds. By delving into the intricacies of how Java handles conversions between different types, we've gained a deeper understanding of why certain code snippets may fail to compile. I hope you found this exploration informative and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!